Hi, boys and girls. What's up? What's up? So, recording this for your mentorship on the 24th of February. So, I'm really uncertain about my country's picking electricity bullshit, right? So, I'm gonna try my hardest to make recorded content for us that in case I don't have electricity, you guys have something to do. Okay. So, what I want to talk to you guys about, especially now in this video, for you guys to study is displacements, fair and fair value gaps. Okay, structure displacement and fair value gaps. So what we're going to be focusing on is the following. Okay, structure, displacement, and fair value gaps. All right, so I'm going to tell you guys exactly what a fair value gap is. Right, ICD calls even this a fair value gap. I do see it that way. Man's the progenitor of it, but from our own studies, from my own study, I know that this is not a fair value gap, unless of course on a lower time frame there is one. Okay, now I'll get to what an actual fair value gap is, but hear me out. All right, so everything we know, right? Now let's say that you don't want to be, going back and forth, double clicking this, looking for SMT, double clicking again, looking for entries. I'll make it easy for you. Okay, now obviously I'm not going to skip what I just told you. I'm going to use it as information. Okay, so I'll just show you one example, maybe two examples, and then we can I'll stop the video. Okay, so this is what you're going to study after you study the external liquidity pool rates and all that good stuff. Okay, external liquidity pool rates and all of that good stuff, right? What you want to do is this. Now, structure displacement fair value gaps. This is yesterday. This is day before yesterday. What was the structure day before yesterday? Bearish. So we never took this high out. So this is a bearish interbank daily range. What's this? Yes, this one, this one. Okay, it's a bearish order block for sure. What's this from here to here? That is your fair value gap. What is this to this? That is your imbalance. Imbalance, fair value gap. Imbalance and fair value gap, two completely separate different things. Okay, two completely separate different things. Two completely different things. Okay, they're separate. They are not the same. This mentorship, that mentorship being called the same. I don't see that. All right. Now, structure is bearish. Okay, that's fine. Now, what you're looking for is displacement, right? Now, if I show you this as an example, here, this is the high, right? This is high into euro. So we have this high. This high broke. No, this is not the break you want to see. Remember, I always said, I always told you guys, this is the type of a break that you want to see. Now, this being the type of break that you want to be looking for in price, the price takes out a high, you want to be looking for a fair value gap. Okay, that fair value, that actual fair value gap is here to here. Okay, here to here. Now, obviously, you can see the bodies respecting this. And now you can take this one step further and go back and look at 5-minute chart. Right? That's like one of your entry time frames. On a 5-minute chart, you can see, okay, we took this high out. Now look, this is the high that we're looking to take out, right? This is not it. This is the displacement. With this candle, this being your accumulation zone of some form, not of some form it is. Here's your displacement candle, not this one. Okay, in the 5-minute chart, so factor standpoint or factor perspective, this is your displacement candle. Now, a fair value gap is this one to this one. Right over there. That's your fair value gap. Okay. What about your entry? Now, your entry, obviously, I'm not going to show it to you on record. Your accumulation zone somewhere here. Your entry will be around here. Okay, so let's see from right. Now, over here, where's your fair value gap? See this here to this. It's a very, very, very small one. It's not quite touched yet, not quite filled in, right? You can see there's a small gap. While it's not perfect, there's a small gap. This is the target. So why? Because they're bearish, right? So minor mistake. So something like this. This is 50%, so less than 50%. Sorry about that. All right. So Right, so you get the point. So here it is. Play forward. Then we look at this section of price action as well. So as you can see, it did take profit right now. That's one aspect of it. Then you can see that's very well. Okay. After that, look. Structure, displacement, fair value. Structure, high, high, high. Break down displacement. So where's the displacement candle? It is going to be this candle, right? That's the displacement candle. Where's your fair value gap? Your fair value gap is, you can choose. So we can do one over here. Right. Can you do one here? No. Can you do one over here? Not yet because there's no other candle here. So play forward one more time. Okay. This to this. Now there's a fair value gap now. The fair value gap is from here to here. That's what happened next. Right. Displacement. Here is a candle that formed. You go jab into it one more time. That's your fair value gap. And that's the entry. Okay, so technically your entry was over here. The moment this jabbed, that was your entry. This is also fair value gap, maybe to be used at a later time. Not now, maybe at a later time. At a later time. Okay, so that's another example. Then yesterday, 9:30, this was yesterday's price action. What can you see? You can see that we had a high that structure. Here's displacement. Here's your fair value gap from here down over here. Came into it. We rejected. Right now, see, we rejected. Does this candle take out anything to the left? No. Right now, you want to see what this portion of price action looks like on the 15-minute chart. Here, is this something that we like to see? No. Okay. What about this? Yes. So this engulfs this part, engulfs this part. Okay. So your fair value gap from that point onwards is from here to here. That's your fair value gap. Okay. That's a fair value gap. Now, if you go back to the 5-minute chart, what you want to see is this. If you want to refine this, here's your fair value gap from there. That's your fair value gap. Okay. You can also use this one. So anyway, this gap is a fair value gap, not a liquidity point. What about this? As price is going lower. Now see, price takes out this low and this low, like having a body closure, right? Price goes up and then drops down even more and forms a fair value gap. Form the fair value gap. Is that enough for an entry? Yes. Go to the 1-minute chart. See, go down, jabs into it. Okay. Now we break down. Are we breaking down with enough force? I don't think so. Okay, so we look at 3-minute chart. Are we breaking down with enough force? Yes. We are breaking down with enough force. We are going to be thinking of this here for now. Play it forward. Okay. We got that. I want to see on the 5-minute chart, does it look like anything, something that's worthy? Kind of, right? So play it forward. Bang. Here's the fair value gap. This is your fair value gap. Okay, this is your fair value gap, and then it drops. Okay, goes up one more time and see. Goes up one more. It goes up one more time. I think this is clear yesterday. So it goes up one more time there. This to this. What is that? Is there anything that's significant? Let's check. Here, no. Here, yes. This is a small up close candle. There is a fair value gap there. And now here's here's the best part, right? These small fair value gaps over here, they're good for entries at that time. But the actual fair value gap is one that's in line with what? Your accumulation zone. If I remember right, there should be SMT here. Let me see. High, lower high on US 30, high on US 100. There's an SMT over there. Accumulation zone somewhere here. So that's in line with this gap. Get that's a good sell, and price goes down from there, right? So this. Now look, where's the other low over here? So this low, displacement candle is this. Here's the candle that makes this a fair value gap. Price jabs into it and sells off. The price jabs into it and sells off. Wait forward again. I time frame now. Let's take these out. Wait forward. Today. Right, so I'll do my own testing over here for that. I'm not doing anything until I took the cells I'm in right now. Look at this. High, you can see it over here. High, that structure. Okay. Drop. What's the displacement cannon? This one, see this entire the body displaced, right? Even though there's a width, the body displaced over here. Okay. There's your stop 100 quotient here. So what's the accumulation zone? Somewhere inside here, right? Now, what's this in line with? This is in line with what imbalance? The imbalance is over here. Now, can you see anything over here? No, it's just it's just a liquidity word, right? Go to 3-minute chart. You can see on 3-minute chart there's a fair value gap. That is it. Close that. Can we enter over here? Can. Why? Here's a low. Okay. We drop displacement here. Fair value gap. Like that, and there's a set. Okay. Play forward again. Now you note that there is nothing over here. Okay, from here onwards, there is nothing apart from this. Can you see this? Yeah. So, but here's the problem. You got the Asian low. So now that's where external liquidity pool study comes in. You got external low. Now sales are not that great, right? Sales not that great. So you're focusing on buys. Now if you're going to be focusing on buys, look at this. Low, that structure price breaks up, making it high relative to this range. That's a fair value gap from here. Whatever candles come next. Yeah. So that is your fair value gap. Okay. Now you can take it one step further and see, you can see this one, right? This one overshoots it all. Yeah, so you can miss this. The price comes into it, yes, it does. And you see there's a buy. There's a buy, take out this high. Okay. Next up, there's nothing over here. Because now remember we are above a high, we are above a high. This does not matter yet. Nothing yet. Right. Displacement, fair value gap is supposed to be from here to here, right? But it's nowhere inside this one, the accumulation. Now, if I were to go to the 1-minute chart, I can see that this is not a fair value gap because see this is closed up. There's no gap over here. This is just a liquidity void. From here, you see this one, this wick over here. From here to here, that is your fair value gap. Price wants to come up higher. From here to here, that is your fair value gap. Okay, now see what happens next. And I guess that's where we are now, and that is my set. Okay, one up there, one down here. Right, so that's how you basically look at it. That's just find the cell, and over here obviously there's nothing there, so we'll use this one. That's the cell. Let's see if it holds, because I'm looking for price to drop all the way to 12,250. Obviously it can say screw you and go the other side, but I'll take partials over here. Okay. We take a partial over here, and I took a sell on German 40. Yeah, so fair value gap. Now you might ask me why not that, why this? Okay. Yes, we have the displacement. Yes, price can go up there, and I have to take a loss as a result. But here's why. 2-minute chart, sorry, the 15-minute chart. See this? That's nothing. If I go to the 5-minute chart, see this here? Yeah, that's displacement, right? Now, even though this is displacement, this is the fair value gap over here. The fair value gap needs to be inside of a defined range. Where is the defined range? Up over here. So this low to this side. That's the defined range. Now, inside that defined range, I need to find my fair value gap, and my fair value gap is over here. Here. Very small one, but it's there. My fair value gap is close. Got the reaction. Now I want to see if it will hold. It's 6 o'clock, so it may be unlikely, but let's see. Okay. And yeah, so I'll update you guys on your study-based phase structure, displacement, fair value gap, and SMT should be there as a confidence because displacements occur due to SMT. Maybe it's something at all. Okay, there's institutional sponsorship, and there's sponsorship or the final direction or the final target for that particular price move depends on the type of liquidity that it can stay down. Okay, so I hope it is helpful. good for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, this is only to be a makeup video for missing either Friday or Saturday or both Friday and Saturday because I really don't know what the electricity business is over here. So I'll let you guys know what's up. Okay, so bye bye.